So, go to jump sinks. That's a little blue heron. Okay. Right there. Go on. What?
Hurry up, baby. See him?
Yes.
His teeth are so funny.
I never see Otter in my whole life. The deep baby alligator.
Look, he's right here. Look how
And I
cute.
just, Mark, can you listen to me?
Yeah, I am, honey, but I don't wanna miss this guy. Look. It's like a snake.
Showing us.
Oh my god, beautiful.
Wow.
It's like a log.
Can't I dreaming?
It's really hard to see, bud.
I saw I just see it.
There he goes.
Down again.
He's
Mom,
out of
can you
here.
see? That's a dream baby alligator. Okay.
Going down the river.
Yeah.
Oh,
I was ready to go there for you.
okay.
The dreamy alligator, a little bit here, and the alligator like plant. Can I see? No. I never see it on there in my whole life.
I've never seen that.
You gotta tell that. You take a picture?
I took like a lot of pictures.
Can you send one to me on Facebook?
I'll
Give
upload them and you can...
anyone on my duck top. Not duck for mine. You to me? You got a bird in the plant?
What is it?
Live with him. What? I shot that. I see baby. I see baby gators. Ready?
I'm coming. Look how cute. Do you see it?
Yeah, I saw. That's one of the ones I saw.
Oh, he's so pretty.
Can I have his right there too?
Their mother must be.
Please. He's right there, see her? Mom, he's coming right. See? Right there is a big campus
Yeah,
right
do you want to see this one?
There's another one down there. Oh, there's a more, is that baby? I thought there's another one be here somewhere. I thought there's another one be here. I found a swimming. But one doesn't work. Wait, does it continue more? Well, page ID. I didn't see that. I was trying to outside the baby. I didn't see her over there.
You see her?
Is that black mark like it?
Oh.
And that's not. I guess I'll be like Otter.
You saw what?
I guess I'll be like Otter.
I was watching it that whole time.
One day it can't get me.
I was gonna come and get you.
Let's continue more. You first. I saw the bait I give her one somewhere like this, so maybe there's a word.
I've never seen an otter in my whole life.
You're the one that made that clown.
Hmm?
You made that clown.
I don't know what made that
Who's
cloud.
gonna bypass? Oh,
But it was so loud it sounded in his trenches.
is it open? I don't think so.
The car travel makes it. I don't think we have to go this way.
No, it's locked. It's locked anyway. I don't want to do it. I'm sick. I'm missing. Then that's the order. We're so lucky.
Hmm?
We're so lucky.
I
I
know.
saw 3 baby alligators and one little bit hen. Without one. I can't count my things I saw today. What a mate. It does make a good anchor pack preserve. Yeah, you know what that's fine. And then, you know where to park. Uh-huh. Can't get it on that. That's a treat.
I guess so.
After preserve. Can I say DB anchors and I saw 2 of them? The one we went down in the water.
I should have videoed that otter is what I should have done.
I videoed it.
Okay, good. But I should have recorded it.
I'm gonna upload it to YouTube because I have filmed before. I'll put it YouTube. I just can't believe I was streaming. I did see it, but I thought I was streaming. Not everything.
Pretty rare. That's the thing I heard. Remember I stopped and I said, you can go ahead. That's what I was hearing with that otter. And I finally saw it come out.
Who made the cloud?
Huh?
You're the first one. You're the first one to see it?
Of that crowd of people, yeah.
You're the first
I was the
one.
otter spotter.
And
Three
then
times. Otter spotter.
You can't believe if I did be, I could live in her and I'll get farm plant. They really like half of I look at a very good eyesight.
I know, you're a good spotter.
And a very good hearing.
Yeah.
I know I don't have a good sense of mouth though. That's so fun. A lot of that. Then her first resolve I'm going to make? Guess.
I don't know.
The fucking Haji one.
Yeah.
They're going to pick a big one. And that's public service picture. This is the end of the trail. And at the very end.
How is it?
Mm-hmm. See these signs? I think that's a student trail.
Oh.
A student, isn't it? Do you hear that? Is it climbing? No. There it is.
So what's that? That shortcut route?
I think that's a bypass strip. That's a student trail lane. Hmm?
They keep a supply of those baby gators in the center there.
They say baby gator.
They throw them in there so that people on their way out, they haven't seen anything. They feel like they got their money's worth.
They don't seem to be now. I've been up. Yeah, I'll give up.